Hello friends, in the previous video we have covered this top section. Now in this video we make this top section responsive this w3 school. Let me just inspect and reduce this width of this screen. Here you can see upgrade will be none, display none, and here also when I was reducing little bit more, now here you can see this certificate also, and this video also display, and after that here I reduce little bit more. Now here you can see this this free website. Now see, it will be go on, and after that here you can see when I was reduce little bit more, here all this menu will be not display and only single menu will be added one more. And when I was click here, some text will be this menu will be display, and like this when I was reduce more its width, you can see now here only this icon will be display, this language and this search box and this login one. Like this we want to do in our section also. Let's first of all we make right click, go on the inspect, and here let me just see when I was screen width, when let me just check. See, when screen will be approximately 30 about 1300, then this upgrade will be display, otherwise not display. Here you can see when below the 1300, then this upgrade will be not to display. For that as like in our section, this will be 13. Okay, like that I want to do in the our section. Let me just check where is link. Here you can find this link. Here this is not a link only. Let me just modify somewhere. When I was clicking, see here these types of link will be changed, but in the original section you can see when I was click nothing will be done. That's because of I use the anchor tag. Let me just change this in the form of a div. Oh sorry, let's select this anchor, click here, and here also, here and here. And let me just delete this and write a div. Now let me just check in our section. Here you can see nothing. Just remove this first. I think I was changed some other section. Yeah, I change here. Let me just here and go on the in the top section, and here I want to change just this is this is a logo section. Logo section will have a link, but other all these four will be not. For that just press here, press alt, and after that click where you want to change, and here, and let me just change this in the form of a div. Now here you can see all things will be changed, but why this tutorial not? Yeah, here I was forgetted div, and here also div. Now these things are done. Let me do in the CSS also, because we want to same style this. For that we can do, just go on the, I think I want to add one class here. I can add one class menu btn, and here I can do just copy this class name and add all of this, and here also, and here also. Now this is a header left. Go on the here CSS file. Let me just search where is this is a header left, and this is a first anchor tag. We can do also here this class name also we can add in this section, and just copy this now btn menu btn, and come in the here, and is the this one, and let me just change this here and make this class After that here anchor tag also, and somewhere other, yeah, here also. Okay, this will be a link, and here I want to also change. Let me just give this. Now let me check in our section. Here you can see all things are done. Little bit will be okay, little bit will be this video. Why this video is not done? Let me just check. Okay, I was forgetting to add this class. Just copy this again and paste here. Now let me see. Yeah, now you can see as like this one, we can add all this. Now let me just make this responsive. Right click, go on the inspect, and here also, if it will be more than 13, then also this upgrade will be display in our section. Let me go on the where is upgrade, here upgrade, and here I was let me add one ID. This will be upgrade btn, and just copy this ID I was given upgrade btn, yes, and just copy this and come into your CSS file. I want to make a responsive. For that, here I just commented responsive, and I use the media query. For that, we can give the media and all, and again I use the minimum width will be, let me just set minimum width will be approximately 1300 pixel, and after that if minimum will be 1300 pixel, then this upgrade btn will be display. We give the block. Otherwise, if this minimum width will not be 1300, then this upgrade will be not to be display. For that, I can do in the top section. Here I write none. Now you can see. Let me just refresh our page first and go on the again, and here you can see when here you can see first when width will be less than 13, then see this upgrade will be gone. Like that I want to make all this, and let me just see when I was reduce more this. Let me just see. Here you can see this video one and this get certificate, both are gone in the when from the 1200 minimum 1200 pixel. Let me just come here, and here I want to add one more media query, media screen and all, and I give the minimum width will be 1200 pixel. Here I want to add two things. First of all, this get certificate, I want to give the ID this get certified, and copy this ID and come in the your style.css. Here I want to add this ID, and here I want to give the display block, and other than if this is not a minimum 1200 pixel, then it will be not to be display. Here I give the none. Now in our section, let me just see, refresh this page, and after that go again, and here I reduce. Okay, when the 1300, then this will be gone, and when the 1200, then this get certificate will be gone. But along with that, I want to also undisplay the video also. Let me just go on the here, and this video I give the this video also ID, I give the video btn and just copy this btn and come in the your style.css. Here I can add here give the comma and again paste this, and this is id. I can use a hashtag. After that here also I give the comma and give the hashtag and paste the id name. Now here you can see, let me just refresh. Why this is okay, something is missing. Let me just see. Okay, let me just check first here. Video btn. Okay, this will okay, and then why this is not gone? Okay, I think I was here using the display flags. Let me just see. Let's copy this and paste here. Here I give the display flags. Yeah, and here I want to make remove this, and now I want to, when here you can see when I was reduce the screen width. Okay, here you can see when 1304, then this will be collapse. Yeah, little bit. See, like that we can here increase the 5 when minimum width will be 305, like that. Now here okay, and when this 200, see this video and this both are not gone. Now let me just see here. Yeah, see, now after that in here you can see 966 when the 950, then this free website will be btn will be not to be display, and for that I can give here media query and all. Here I write a minimum width will be is approximately let me just reduce this. Okay, 950, we give the 950 pixel, and here I want to come here. Let me just go on this certificate, and here I want to add the id free website, sorry, free website, and just copy this id and come in your css file. Here I want to give the id hashtag with id name, and here I want to give the display block. If this minimum width, if this minimum width not, then this content will be not to be display. For that in the top section I want to give none. Now let me just check in our section also. Here you can see if 950, then this will be not display. Let me check any more other things, and here you can see when it will be go on the 850, then all this menu will be not to be display. Like that I want to give something in here. Let me go in the top section. Here I was added the menu btn everywhere. You can see I can add one more class. I can add one more class like a menu btn desktop. This is a short form for the, just copy this and paste all other classes like here and here also, and exercise also. Yeah, now this just copy this whole class name, this menu btn desktop, copy. It will be display let me just give the media all, and here I write minimum width will be approximately 850. Then also this will be display, otherwise not to be display. Just paste this class name. After that here I give the display block, and otherwise these things will be not to be display. Here I want to give the none. Let me just give here none. Let me just see when I was give, refresh this. Okay, I think I was not giving something. Minimum width will be 850. Minimum width will be 850. Okay, when minimum width will be 850, then also this will be not. Let me just check. Refresh this page. If I was give the background color for the checking, these things are okay. This will be not to be display here. I was giving a menu btn desktop and display none. Why these are not gone? Let me refresh this page. Right click, go on the inspect, and here I want to see again. Okay, let me just go on the HTML. This is a div and this is a menu btn class. We can do convert in the form of a id. I think somewhere I was added a like a header left, and after that menu somewhere. That's why because of a priority class name, that's why. And we can do one thing, we can directly add id. We do not change everywhere, and let's first of all add here id. I give the id will be tutorial btn, and here I can add the id will be references btn, and after that I want to add id will be exercises btn. And any more? No, only I want to 3. Just copy this same id name and come in the your css file. Here I want to change, and before that I want to include the hashtag, because this is id is in the css using the hashtag. And now I want to also copy this, come here and paste this, and last one, and this copy this, come here, and here I want to paste this. Now all this I want to copy and come in the top. Here I want to change. Now let me just see. Let me remove the background color. Now you can see, yeah, here these things are done. I think I want to give flex. Yeah, now see, let me reduce one by one. Here you can see this upgrade will be gone. After that, this certificate and this video. After that you can see this website, free website. After this, here I want to add if this menu like that, we can add here. In here I can add just first of all here I add the comment mobile view menu, and here I can create another div giving the class name will be not in this time not giving the class. I want to add this all this, just copy this here and paste here, and thus add this menu btn, and here also same. Now let me just see. Okay, I was copy this exercise, just give me the menu. Yeah, now this will be added. Here I want to give the id name. This id will be menu btn mobile. Okay, just copy this again and come in here. It will be display when the this 850, and here when the id this will be this. If above the this 850, it will be not to be display. For that, here I want to give the display none. If it come from the smaller than 850, then this will be display. For that, the top section I can add a display flex. Now you can see one by one here and here also. When I reduce, when I come in the approx, see minimum 600, this dark mode, light mode, this icon will be not to be display. I want to do this also. Let me just search where is this one, and this one toggle translate. Yeah, this one. Just copy this toggle light one and come here. If here I want to make one more media query, and this will be all, and minimum width will be 600 pixel. Here I want to give the this class name, and this will be display none. When this will become, let me just go. Okay, this will be display. Okay, here I want to display, otherwise not display. Here I want to give the display block, and by default it will be none. Here I want to give the none. Now here you can see when I was reduce, and it will become approximately 600. This icon will be not to be display. See, as like in this original one, when I will reduce, this icon will be not to be display. Now when I was reduce more, see this login btm also, this width will be reduces. Here you can see when I was reduce, see this width also reduces, as like this. In our section we want to do this. Let me just come here and go on the css file. First of all, I want to make where is login. Yeah, here is a login, and this is a btn link only I was given, and somewhere, okay, I can add here id login btn, and just copy this id name and come in your css file. I want to change let me just here first of all make this media and all, and here I give the minimum width will be approximately, let me just check in original one, when it will go on the approximately 430 or 425. We give the 425. After that this will be, let me just go up, and here just go where is btn toggle light and dark mode. I want to see somewhere, yeah, here I want to give this all where I was added the padding and margin. Let me just see header link. Okay, this is not a link. We can do. Okay, this is coming because of a by default. I think by default padding and margin everywhere in here also and here. But this will be more. I think I was added somewhere. Let me just search. Come here and this is a btn link. Just copy this btn link and come in the your css file and press the Ctrl plus F and paste this class name and okay, no result found. Here I was added the padding and somewhere we can, let me just change this. Let me just come here and here I think this is anchor tag, that's why we can do one thing. Let me just toggle and here you can say inside the header right we have this anchor tag, that's why these are coming. We can upgrade this first. Here I want to upgrade this. Just copy this again, or we can come here, just copy this here and come in the top section. Where is let me go a little bit up. Yeah, here right here I want to give this login and this padding will be cut here and paste here. Now here you can see this login will be width will be reduces, but let me just come this. Yeah, now see this width will be much more. We can do here one thing. I want to like these types of a we can do okay this one. Yeah, I think this one. Okay, just cut this here and paste here. We can just remove this and cut this here. You can see now look like this, and just paste this in the last section. No need of now this login btn class name. Now here you can see okay, why these are not changed. Let me just see here. I was not giving the pixel. Yeah, now see, and let me just check. When I was reduce 13, then this upgrade will be gone. When I reduce more, this both. When again see this one gone, when again this will be gone, and this will be gone, and this menu is this really I think I want to make. Yeah, now see it automatically reduces its size. And here also when I was give, and here also you can see when I was reduce more as like let me just give reduce 400. This width will be when I was reduce minimum 400, then this two also gone. Let me just add one more media query, media, and here all minimum width will be approximately I give the 390 pixel, and this language is bt and search one, both are let me just search where is language and btn. Yeah, here you can see find this both, and just copy this here, this toggle one, and here I want to give the this toggle, and I want to also add this language. Copy this and come here. Here I want to give these both are display. We give the 400, and these are display block, otherwise it will be not to be display. Copy this and come in the top section. Here I want to give none. Now you can see in our section it when I was reduced it will be gone. 380, 370, sorry, here I want to give 370. Let me just give the 370, and when I will reduce, yeah, here, okay, let me increase this 75. Yeah, now okay, I like this one. And in our section when I will reduce, okay, now this one is now completed. This section will be now done, and this gola type, this login btm will be, see, this will be go on the top section. And for that we can do, let me just go on the btn login btn. Yeah, dark mode anywhere login. I was not given this header right anchor tag. Here I want to add a minimum width will be approximately 50 pixel. When I use reduce, okay, this will be 70. Let me just see, 80, search. Yeah, now it's 50 will be okay for now. Now see, we have covered this all this top section login. Now I want to add the let me just select this mobile view, and when I was reduce, see, little bit section will be gone. And when I was when I was click in the this menu button, then bottom section will be display like in the real one. Let me just show you. When I was click in the menu, see, this types of tutorial will be show. For that I want to make all this. In the next video we have covered this. Thank you for the watching till this. Keep learning, keep exploring, and please like this video.